Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2022 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sport Appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that rear park sensing, tow hitch, your backup camera. We do get a bed liner as well. And looking here, we do get gripped running boards on either side, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, and spotlighted. And moving to the front here, we do get remote start. We got recovery hooks, block heater, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, carpet interior, floor mats, cup holders, storage in the doors. We do get cup holders here as well, storage 12 volt with outlets and 120 volt. And of course you do get storage underneath with a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 72,498 kilometers. We get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone, media, voice and volume, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, Track Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, we got a gear select that is collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. Got your center console with even more storage underneath. Drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash, with a nice powered rear window opener. As well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. We got our nice backup camera and hazards, traction, some media controls. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, your fave apps will be found in here, such as your messaging, email, zone lighting, vehicle settings, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, Amazon Alexa, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8109, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.